Hi guys, Mr. Zigner here, and today we're looking at the area model, also called the box method, to multiply two-digit numbers. So you can see here I created the problem 17 times 35, which we'll also do over here. But first let's do it the traditional way. Maybe use red. So there's really four problems you end up doing over here. See if you can find all four as I do them. 5 times 7 is the first one. Now 5 times 7 is 35. 5 goes here. What do we do with 3? We carry it. All right. Second problem, 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 more is 8. Okay, so there's the 85. The third problem is this 3 times 7. Now 3 times 7 is 21, but where do you put the 1? Well, if you recall, some people teach you to put a 0 as a placeholder right there, and then the 1 for the 21 comes right here below the 3, and you carry the 2. Oh, but this 3 is still in the way. We don't need it anymore, so we carry that 2. Now 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. Alrighty, now we add those up, and 5 plus 0, 8 plus 1, and bring down the 5. And there we go. The answer is 595. Now the problem with doing it that way is you'll learn how to do it and the method, but you don't really understand why that works. And the nice thing about the area models is it shows exactly why that works. So yeah, I guess we'll use blue. So 17 right here is really a 10 in the tens column. So that 1 is actually a 10. Plus the 7 in the ones column. So 10 plus 7, 10 plus 7 is 17. And we're going to multiply that by 35. Now 30, that 3 is a 30 actually, so put a 30 right there. And the 5 is just a 5. So 30 plus 5 is 35. Now all you have to do is multiply wherever two numbers meet, and then we add up these numbers. And it kind of shows what you're multiplying together. So 30 times 10, well, 3 times 1 is 3, and then there are 2 zeros. That's another little trick. Maybe I'll teach you in another video. Over here, 30 times 7, well, 3 times 7 is 21, and then there's 1 0 to bring over. Down here is 10 times 5. 10 times 5 is 50. Or you could think 5 times 1 is 5 and then bring the 0 down. Finally, 5 times 7 is 35. All right, so here's our four numbers, those four problems I mentioned over here. All we have to do is add these four numbers together. So over here we'll have 300 plus 210 plus the 50 plus the 35. Got a 5 here. 0, 1, 5, and 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 and 2 is 5. And there you can see we got the 595 again. Now we might argue back and forth about which is the best method, but you can't argue that it's really easy to see what you're multiplying together over here. So if you like to see the visual of what you're multiplying together to get this answer, here it is. And if you know this method and you like this method and understand how to use it, then I guess this one's a little bit quicker. So it's up to you. Do you want to get done faster? Or do you want to understand why you're multiplying what you're multiplying? Let me know in the comments. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.